आज का दिन बहुत खास है। टुडे इज अ वेरी स्पेशल डे। टुडे इज अ वेरी स्पेशल डे। क्या आपने टिकट बुक किया? डिड यू बुक द टिकट? डिड यू बुक द टिकट? वह कल पार्टी में नहीं आया। He didn't come to the party yesterday. He didn't come to the party yesterday. मैं जल्दी वापस आ जाऊंगा। I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. यह सब तुम्हारे कारण हुआ। This happened because of you. This happened because of you. उसने सबको चौंका दिया। He surprised everyone. He surprised everyone. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चल सकते हो? Can you come with me? Can you come with me? हमें सच का सामना करना चाहिए। We should face the truth. We should face the truth. उसने मुझे कभी धोखा नहीं दिया। He never betrayed me. He never betrayed me. आज बहुत ठंड है। It's very cold today. It's very cold today. वह हमेशा खुश रहता है। He always stays happy. He always stays happy. यह मेरी आखिरी कोशिश थी। This was my last attempt. This was my last attempt. तुमने यह बहुत अच्छे से किया। You did it very well. You did it very well. हमें उससे बात करनी चाहिए। We should talk to him. We should talk to him. उसने समय की कीमत समझी। He understood the value of time. He understood the value of time. तुम्हें हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोचना चाहिए। You should always think positively. You should always think positively. मुझे माफ करना, मैं भूल गया था। Sorry, I forgot. Sorry, I forgot. मैंने अभी तक खाना नहीं खाया। I haven't eaten yet. I haven't eaten yet. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? Is this yours? Is this yours? हम अगले महीने छुट्टी पर जा रहे हैं। We are going on vacation next month. We are going on vacation next month. वह एक अच्छा नेता है। He is a good leader. He is a good leader. मुझे इस बात का बहुत अफसोस है। I deeply regret this. I deeply regret this. क्या तुम मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Are you understanding what I'm saying? यह काम तुम्हारे बिना नहीं हो सकता। This work can't be done without you. This work can't be done without you. उसने सबके सामने मुझसे माफी मांगी। He apologized to me in front of everyone. He apologized to me in front of everyone. मैं तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा था। I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. इस बार तुमने मुझे निराश किया। This time you disappointed me. This time you disappointed me. क्या तुम्हें मेरी जरूरत है? Do you need me? Do you need me? उसने मेरे सवाल का जवाब नहीं दिया। He didn't answer my question. He didn't answer my question. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We are all with you. We are all with you. यह मेरी पसंदीदा किताब है. This is my favorite book. This is my favorite book. मुझे अपने शब्दों पर पछतावा है. I regret my words. I regret my words. क्या हम कहीं और बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk somewhere else? Can we talk somewhere else? वह बहुत ही शांत स्वभाव का है. He has a very calm nature. He has a very calm nature. तुम जो कह रहे हो वह सही है. What you are saying is right. What you are saying is right. मेरी आंखों में आंसू आ गए. Tears come to my eyes. Tears come to my eyes. मैं तुम्हें खुश देखना चाहता हूं. I want to see you happy. I want to see you happy. उसने सबको अपनी प्रतिभा से चौंका दिया. He surprised everyone with his talent. He surprised everyone with his talent. वह जो करता है पूरे दिल से करता है. He does everything with full heart. He does everything with full heart. हमें अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान देना चाहिए. We should focus on our goal. We should focus on our goal. यह काम बहुत समय लेगा. This task will take a lot of time. This task will take a lot of time. मैं तुम्हें जल्द ही मिलूंगा. I will meet you soon. I will meet you soon. क्या तुम मुझे अपना दोस्त मानते हो? Do you consider me your friend? Do you consider me your friend? उसने कभी हार नहीं मानी. He never gave up. He never gave up. आज का अनुभव बहुत खास था. Today's experience was very special. Today's experience was very special. क्या आप मुझे रास्ता बता सकते हैं? Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? उसने अपने वादे को निभाया. He kept his promise. He kept his promise. वह हर किसी से अच्छी तरह पेश आता है. He treats everyone well. He treats everyone well. मुझे यह गाना बहुत पसंद है. I really like this song. I really like this song. तुमने मेरी मदद करके मेरा दिन बना दिया. You made my day by helping me. You made my day by helping me. मैंने तुम्हारे लिए दरवाजा खोला. I opened the door for you. I opened the door for you. मैं तुम्हारे फैसले का सम्मान करता हूं. I respect your decision. I respect your decision. वह बहुत तेजी से सीखता है. He learns very quickly. He learns very quickly. हमें हर दिन कुछ नया सीखना चाहिए. We should learn something new every day. We should learn something new every day. मुझे उसके विचार बहुत अच्छे लगे. I liked his thoughts very much. I liked his thoughts very much. वह हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करता है. He always helps others. He always helps others. मैं जानता हूं तुमने क्या किया. I know what you did. I know what you did. यह एक बहुत बड़ी गलती थी. This was a very big mistake. This was a very big mistake. अब समय आ गया है कि हम कुछ करें. Now it's the time to do something. Now it's the time to do something. मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करूंगा. I will try my best. I will try my best. वह हमेशा मेरा साथ देता है. He always supports me. He always supports me. यह मौका दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा. You won't get this chance again. You won't get this chance again. मैंने उससे बहुत कुछ सीखा. I learned a lot from him. I learned a lot from him. क्या तुम मुझ पर भरोसा करते हो? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? अब सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Now everything will be fine. Now everything will be fine. मैं इसे खुद करना चाहता हूं. I want to do it myself. I want to do it myself. यह अनुभव मेरे लिए नया है. This experience is new for me. This experience is new for me. तुम मुझे कभी अकेला नहीं छोड़ते. You never leave me alone. You never leave me alone. यह मेरी सबसे बड़ी कमजोरी है. This is my biggest weakness. This is my biggest weakness. मुझे अपने आप पर गर्व है. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. हम सब मिलकर जीत सकते हैं. Together we can win. Together we can win. वह बहुत ही ईमानदार व्यक्ति है. He is a very honest person. He is a very honest person. मुझे नई चीजें सीखना अच्छा लगता है. I like learning new things. I like learning new things.